Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to find null and non-null values in a data frame. So let's start. I've got this Jupyter notebook open here with me. I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I'll leave a link to the file in the video notes, and I'll also leave a link to the dataset should you want to do the same tutorial as what I'm showing you. So all I'm doing is I'm importing pandas, and then I'm reading the file. So I'm pointing it to wherever the file is stored on my machine. And all I need to do is hit Shift Enter, and the data has been loaded into my data frame because the cell has been executed. Now let's say I want to find out what is the total number of values, or how many nulls and non-null values do I have. All we need to do is use df, which is the data frame, .info. So if I hit Shift Enter here, you can see it is telling me that there are 891 entries. And then it says that there are passenger ID, there's 891 non-null values. And here you can see that it's saying that age, only 714 are non-null, which means that the rest of them are null. Similarly for cabin, you can see embarked, we have 889. So this is a quick way to find out the data quality for our data frame and what are the various null and non-null values. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.